No more bin. The bin was removed towards the end of the day, which means the bulk of the demo is done, and I'm going to show you what work was done today. It's pretty fiddly, so the progress was a little bit slower, but I'll show you what they did. Before we go into the house, I want to show you what they did with our radiator. This came out of the front hall and they put it out on the porch, which makes complete sense because they needed the space to work. And then they tied it down to the porch so it wouldn't fall over. That thing is really, really heavy, so somebody could have got hurt if it did tip over. So that's the kind of attention to detail that they have. So let's head inside. So this is the bit of the floor that they hadn't finished yesterday, so they've done that. And into the closet. And this is where the radiator used to be. Let's head into the kitchen. The big progress in the kitchen is the pipe for the range hood. So they knocked a hole out from on the outside, inserted the pipe for the beginning of the range hood, and filled the gap with insulation. So here's what it looks like from the outside. We have the vent from the old fan, swapped up with wood, and we have the new vent for the new range hood. It's a little bit behind the air conditioner, but that's fine. Someone's going to ask me, what is that wire coming down? And it has nothing to do with the vent. It has nothing to do with the range hood. It just happens to go in and out of the house there. I think it's for something like a telephone or maybe a radio antenna. But it's not currently in use, and it's just a relic. I wasn't planning on including the basement in the tour, but a good chunk of the work that they did today was bridging or blocking between these joists. They put additional wood for strength, reinforcement, and stability. They went all along the side of the house, and they continued across the house into the part under the dining room as well.